Do row your boat now. Do row your boat. What else? What other songs do you know? Music?
An unbelievable athlete, takes care of himself at 36 of age, but he's a combination of natural talent and tremendous work ethic. Right?
Oh, the wheels and the bus.
Together, you get exceptional results. 61 wins in spring. And if you're a purist of the sport, and from somebody that raced for 25 years, it's fun to watch history unfold in front of you. He's, I think, got a really good shot, a legitimate shot at being top 5 all time. He's doing things I didn't think that we would see because he's competing in the most competitive era of NASCAR racing. So all the things that he's accomplished have been done when there's more parity than ever in the sport. And the second Daytona 500 probably isn't as fun.
It was a tremendous race for the reigning Sprint Cup champion.
Yay!
Dale Jr. second.